Hi crafty friends, welcome to Crazy Craft Creations. Today we're making our cozy jute rope basket and matching coasters with our all-in-one DIY kit. Let's dive in. Your kit includes Mod Podge, a brush, chipboard backings, wax paper stencils for the basket and coasters, and jute rope. We made it easy for you by pre-cutting and labeling the rope so there's no guesswork. You'll also need a glue gun and hot glue sticks, and optional masking tape that are not included in this kit. To start, brush a dab of Mod Podge onto the center of your stencil. Brush over the entire inside of your stencil outline. This creates a tacky surface, helping your rope stay in place while you're working. You can tape down your stencil so it doesn't move around as much. Take the rope labeled basket rope and put one end onto the center of the stencil. Place hot glue down on one side of the rope about 1.5 inches in length. Twist the rope into an oval and press it onto the glue firmly. This is creating the base of our basket. Keep wrapping the rope around itself, adding hot glue between each layer. After a few passes with the rope, your basket should start to look a little something like this. Continue using this technique until you reach the edge of your stencil. When you reach the edge of the stencil, your base should look something like this, and you're ready to start building your basket walls. Take the edge of your rope and layer it on top of the piece right next to it like so. Place hot glue on the top and bottom of each piece and press firmly to join them together. Glue and wrap the rope around the entire outside piece, creating the first layer of your wall. Continue gluing and wrapping the rope on top of itself until you've reached the end. Once you've reached the end, glue and tuck in the rope end on the inside of your basket. And now it's time to move on to the coasters. Tape down a chipboard backing onto the stencil. Take your coaster rope and grab one piece. Add a dab of hot glue onto your backing and twist your rope into a tiny spiral. Place it onto the hot glue and press firmly. Keep adding hot glue and coiling the rope around itself until you've reached the end. Once you've reached the end, tuck the rope in tightly. Remove your coaster from the stencil and place it to the side. Repeat the same technique for the rest of your coasters. Now it's time to seal the entire project. Take your brush to coat each coaster and the basket with a layer of Mod Podge. This will dry completely clear and create a strong seal for your project so you can enjoy your rope coaster set for years to come. Let the Mod Podge dry a full 24 to 48 hours before use, and you're done. This coaster set is perfect for your coffee table or as a gift. And best of all, handmade by you. Thanks for crafting with us. Share your masterpiece and tag us so we can see it. And who knows, your project may just end up being featured on Crazy Craft Creations Facebook page. If you want more DIY kits like this, check out our website at www.crazycraftcreations.com. And while you're at it, join our email list so you can stay informed of new kit releases, exclusive discounts, and project ideas every month. Until next time, stay well and happy crafting!